What's up, guys? Welcome back to Four Bros Automotive, and in this video, we're going to share with you the last and final step of the 2009 Dodge Ram. Well, guys, honestly, this truck turned out to look really nice. Let's check it out.
Look at this beauty. This truck has been completely transformed. It went from completely trash to a sport mean looking truck. Starting off with the front end, we changed the grille to the sport grille and the normal fog headlights to a spanking new headlights. And most important, the bumper, which gives it that cherry on top. Going on to the side, we kept the same rims. All we did was change the crusty tires to some almost new tires that gave it that cleaner look. This truck came with step sides, which wasn't necessary to remove because the customers tend to always look for them. Moving on to the back, this whole cab was painted due to having minor details, so we left it dealership new. Let's not forget, we changed this rear bumper that was chrome and was super dented to a color match bumper that gave it that sporty look. This truck turned out to look super crispy clean with all the parts that we put onto it. And also we fit right into budget to make this solid profit. So we started at $5,000, invested around $1,000 with parts and labor. So that puts us at $6,000. So that we could place the truck onto the marketplace for $8,000 to $9,000.
Well, guys, this concludes the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys do like the content we share with you guys, please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel so that we keep you updated with the latest videos.